1, and 2, 3. Jesus Christ Almighty!
How did you let that snake get so down your pants in the first place, man?
There's a snake in my boots.
Welcome back to Houseless Reactions, where we might be houseless, but we're not hopeless. We're always here to have a good time.
Yeah! What?
Damn nature, you scary. Funny animal encounters. So, let's go ahead and check this video out, guys. That bull means business, man. I bet he could flip it over if he really tried hard enough. I'd be terrified if I was that family, though, man. That would be very, very scary. Those things just look disgusting, man. I wouldn't want any of that near my skin. That poor little ducky.
The duck got it.
Why were you chasing the bear to begin with, man? Think about it. That woman didn't deserve that, man. She was trying to help that elephant out. Mean old elephant.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, my God.
Get out!
For real, this guy is an idiot. How are you not gonna get out the water when there's a shark swimming right next to your feet, man? Think. Well, I kind of seen that happen, jackass. That poor little boy, all he was trying to do is get on his scooter today. Dumb, stupid bird.
Alrighty, here we go. 1, and 2, 3. Jesus Christ Almighty!
How did you let that snake get so down your pants in the first place, man?
There's a snake in my boots.
I think we got a garfish, dude. Be careful, Evan.
Oh, there's a crocodile there, buddy.
Buddy! That is a big...
Yeah, I'd be paddling my way out there as soon as I could, too. I honestly didn't see that coming, man, messing with the fish. Wow, and that monkey looks super, super friendly. Oh, wow, it's a snake. Did you guys see how fast that snake was moving? Wow, that guy was super fast.
Oh.
Ouch. Bummer, man. At least you ain't gotta pay someone to pierce it for you.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Gotta be careful here.
It's gonna be another crocodile. Yeah, back up, back up. I ain't messing with no croc. Told you it'd be a croc. Or maybe it's alligator. I don't really know the difference. I'm sorry, guys.
Get back.
Get back! I got a stick! I said get back, Mr. Alligator! I got this stick right here! Yeah, ain't no one really messing with the elephant, man. Lion might be the king of the jungle, but majority of the time, they ain't trying to mess with no elephants. You see how huge them guys are? They might as well be dinosaurs. That's cold. It feels like he just left his girlfriend there to deal with the gator. Realistically, though, what was he supposed to do? It's funny, he wasn't gonna mess with the traffic, but he's like, this little biker over here, he needs to get off my turf.
Come on, keep kicking him. Oh,
Ouch!
I'm so glad I was recording that.
I've had that happen once to me in my life, and it really sucked. It really hurt.
At all. Holy sh!
I would cut that line right away, man. Leave that gator alone, bro.
Oh my lord, holy moly.
Holy moly, I caught me an alligator!
Hey, 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 hey.
He got so lucky. I can't believe that bear was actually scared of the bike, man. I thought that dude was a goner.
There's an octopus eating a crab!
Octopus there? That don't seem like the right environment. Yep, it really is an octopus eating a crab. They're in the water. That crab is done for now.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I promise I'm not gonna bug you. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
I'm going away. Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me.
Bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going.
That is the best thing you can do, is just back up. Don't lose eye contact. If you lose eye contact, they'll see you as prey and they will eat you.
He could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
That gun don't always save you.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking down the trail, and Mom and 2 cubs.
Leave me alone, Mama. I don't want to be eaten. Take your cubs somewhere else, please.
And Mom and the cubs keep following me, and are walking at least as fast as I am.
Yeah, they're keeping pace with you. You better watch out, man. Ha ha ha! It's a shark! It's so funny! And then someone falls in. That was in his nose? Oh my god!
You. Oh.
Is this a different video? Or is this the same video about the same mountain lion?
No! Get the away! Go away! Go away! No!
You better back up, Mr. Mountain Lion!
No! You, dude.
I would have chucked a rock at him. Is that something you should do? Or would that worsen my chances? Comment below, let me know.
Go away from me. Face.
Damn, nature, you scary. Funny animal encounters. And that was brought to us by Fail Army. So if you liked their video, go check them out. If you liked my reactions, give me a thumbs up. I've always liked nature and I've always liked animals. So it was a fun video to watch for me. I want to thank you guys for joining me today on Houseless Reactions. We have a new video for you every single day if you want to subscribe. Thank you. Bye, guys!